Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Welcome to this video, and if you are new to this channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you will be notified. Yeah, in this video we're going to be discussing about how to drive real traffic to your Shopify or your dropshipping website through Instagram. Understand the fact there are a lot of businesses, websites, dropshipping, either different niches that are trying to sell goods, service on Instagram, but due to overwhelming of all things, it's very hard for you to drive traffic through Instagram. So the first thing I will be advising you to do is putting your website URL in your bio, like your Instagram bio. So, and also post regularly on your page. This is very, very important. Post your service regularly, either one post in a week. It actually depends on the kind of service you are actually offering. So it depends. There are some pages that deserve to be posting every day. There are some pages that deserve to post maybe 1 or 2 times in a week, and some maybe 1 month or 2 months, 1 or 2 posts in a month. So it actually depends. But if you find yourself or you find your business that you are kind of like someone that needs to be posting every day, so definitely that will also work perfectly. And also you need to be very, very active if you want to drive real traffic using Instagram page. And also make sure you are using your business account. That is very, very important. So now, how do we do it? This is the thing. If you want to drive real traffic using Instagram page, you need to make sure you are active on Instagram. Follow people, drop comment, like post, and send a DM to people. How do you send your DM? This is the thing. You need to compose a message like 150 or 50 characters. Sorry, you have to compose like 50 characters, then input your website URL underneath. So how do you do this? Like, send this DM. Like, you first send a message like hello there or something. Once you get a response from that, so that is a sign that the person will definitely reply to your message. So once you send that first message and the person reply to you, then you can now send a message with your website URL attached to it regarding what kind of service you are offering. So let's say for instance, hello there, then the person reply to you, hi. Then you say that I noticed that you are into so something. Then I think I will be of help to your brand. Then this kind of service I offer. I'm a YouTuber and I offer YouTube SEO, YouTube promotion, YouTube optimization, then YouTube curation. Either or I've listed there now. So I don't know, maybe you might need any kind of service in the future. Please kindly reach out to me, and you can also check my website to see all I have been doing so far and see some reviews, and you can also see my portfolios. So this will definitely increase your engagement and also your website traffic, because that kind of person would like to visit your website to see what you have been doing so far. And also, apart from sending a DM, using the comment section, this will also help you, because you don't need to attach your website URL to the comment section. If you are dropping the comment, all you just need to do is just send it, drop your comment regarding that person post, then advertise your business as well below, like hello, in case you might need so service, then you can reach out to me. Definitely they will click on your page and also see your website URL on your bio, so once they click, it will take them to your website and they will see what exactly you are actually selling. This way it will keep on increasing your website traffic organically, because those people that will be clicking are real people, not bots or robots. So I think this is kind of like unique, and of course if you know your way through it, definitely you'll make a lot of sales, because people who are visiting your website will not be one if you are dropping a comment, most especially if you follow a big pages. So definitely this will increase your sales organically, and of course into increase your website traffic and also rank your website higher on Google search. I think this is kind of like help, and also most people don't used to do it. They just like, okay, let me post about my service on my Instagram page, use the hashtag button, then go off Instagram. So but this thing doesn't work that way. You need to reach out to potential buyers who are actually interested or might be interested in what you are selling. So this way will definitely help you grow your Instagram page and also grow your website or your dropshipping website as well. So I think this video will help you, and of course if you follow it in the right way, definitely you will make a lot of sales. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.